Howdy! So, you've only just gone out and picked yourself up the Plugable PS-6CC 6-port charger. And now you've plugged in, well, just about everything you own. So maybe now you're thinking, why isn't everything charging all at the same time? Well, that's a great question. The PS-6CC is smart, but it's not magic. Let's say you've got 100 watts coming in, and now you've plugged in 6 laptops and they all want 100 watts each. Well, that math don't add up. That's why the PS-6CC charges your devices in priority order from left to right based on the power that's available. Think of it like a buffet line. The device at the front gets fed first. If that first laptop is gobbling up, say, 85 watts, well, there's not much power to go around. Yet. But once it's almost full and starts sipping instead of chugging, well, then the PS-6CC reallocates the power to the next hungry gadget down the line. Now, if you're charging smaller stuff like, say, I don't know, phones and earbuds, well, the PS-6CC can charge several devices all at the same time. Let's just say that first device you plug in is only looking for 20 watts. Well, that leaves 80 watts for the next device. And if that next device only needs 20 watts, well, now you've got 60 watts available for the next device. And if that device only needs 20 watts, well, you can see where this is going. The less power needed, the more power there is to go around. And yes, sometimes it might seem like nothing's happening for a few minutes. Well, that's normal. The PS-6CC waits for things to stabilize before moving on. It's a very cautious, but very polite power manager. Charging times, of course, may vary depending on what's plugged in and how those devices behave, but trust the process. The PS-6CC is doing the math, checking the flow, making sure everything is charging just right. Thank you. The Plugable PS-6CC 6-port charger.